Hey, welcome back to the Freezing Kitchen. I'm Annika and today I'm going to show you how to make mini Pina Colada Pavlovas. This is a perfect summer dessert. It's light and fluffy and refreshing. It's so good. And we will first start off with making the pavlova shells. And then later on I'm going to show you what you will need for the filling. And today I'm going to use some fresh pineapple and some coconut milk. It will be so delicious. So for the pavlova shells you will need 200 grams of superfine sugar, 120 grams of room temperature egg whites, 4 grams of cornstarch, a pinch of salt, and 5 grams of white vinegar. Let's start off with making the meringue. Pour the egg whites into the bowl of your standing mixer along with a pinch of salt and whisk on a medium speed until you reach the bubbly and foamy consistency. Now slowly add your sugar and keep whisking until the sugar is all in there. After you added all the sugar, stop the mixer and scrape down the sides to make sure the sugar is all incorporated. Now turn the mixer back on and whisk on high speed for 5 minutes. Now your meringue mixture should have a stiff peaks form, and this is the consistency you will need. Now to the bowl add your vinegar and with a spatula just fold the vinegar in. Then you're going to sift in your cornstarch and gently fold it in as well. And now comes the fun part. Get a piping bag ready with a round tip on the bottom. Add your meringue mixture to the piping bag and pipe mini cups on a parchment paper lined baking tray. It's easier to start with a circle on the bottom and then you go around the sides to create the cup. Bake the mini cups in a preheated oven for 1 hour, and when they're done baking, turn the oven off and leave them in there to cool completely. Our mini pavlova shells are all baked. Now I'm going to make a coconut cream to fill them in, and then we are going to top it off with some fresh cut pineapple. So for the cream you will need 1 can of coconut milk, which is very cold, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of heavy cream, and 1 pineapple. In a bowl, add your heavy cream along with the powdered sugar and whisk on high for 30 seconds. So now here's the thing. If you leave the coconut milk overnight in the fridge, it will separate from the liquid and the firm part, because we're only going to need the firm part on the top. Just scoop it out and add it to your heavy cream and powdered sugar mixture, then whisk on high until you have a stiff consistency. Now the cream is ready to go. Now let's work on the pineapple. So for the decoration later, I like to keep the small leaves. I just pull them out from the top. And if it's easy to remove these leaves, you know your pineapple will be sweet and delicious. With a sharp knife, cut off both ends, then quarter the pineapple and remove the core. And lastly, cut alongside the skin. Now slice the pineapple and cut into sticks and dice. Now everything is ready to assemble. These are the mini Pina Colada Pavlovas. We can't wait to try them. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!